Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. Jumping right into this video, we are going to make over this wine bottle. This is just some regular pink Moscato. I'm starting by taking the tag off the back. Well, that's actually a label, not a tag, but yeah, I'm using my little Cricut tool. We taking it off the back. I tried a couple with it left on, and trust me, it did not work out well. Next thing I'm going to do is tape off the top of the bottle because I don't want it to look messy. And I'm using these from the Dollar Tree and some Mod Podge. So this is super freaking like self-explanatory, but I just wanted to show you guys while I do it, and I actually wanted to show you what I did with these bottles at the end. So this is just a cute little idea to basically revamp a regular, wine bottle, just to make it look glam and make it look cute. I mean, it was already cute because it was pink, but I'm just got to be a little extra. So I'm just showing you guys how I did go on a little heavy in the back where the label was, because I didn't want it to be bumpy or bulky. And then I did not tape off the label in the front. I literally just went around it. It's not that hard. You can clean up later. So I just got this glitter from Michael's, actually, just a red glitter. I did want to do some pink, some red, but all they had was red in this Valentine's, so that will do. The way that I did this, there was really no reason why I did, the base and then did the top. No reason. Just did it like that. And then, I just went ahead and coated it. It's pretty simple, and just let it sit and dry, as you will see. And yeah, I think they turned out really, really cute. And so I started working on the other one while I let that one dry. Poured all of my glitter back in there because we do not want to waste this good glitter. And then I actually started back with the other one and gave it a second coat because I want to make sure that all of the bottle is covered. I don't want to see any clear. I don't want to see any white. I just don't. So this is what we have, and it came out super freaking cute. I cleaned them up later, and this is what I did with one of those bottles. So here's a cute little idea for you guys. Nothing too hard, just wanted to show you. Thank you all so much for watching. Once again, Crea'Madonas, if you liked it, like it, and leave me a comment down below, and make sure if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. Okay, bye.